What if I told you that the most powerful tool to calm your nervous system is already with you right now, and it costs nothing? You use it every moment, but you are probably using it wrong. I'm talking about your breath. Nervous strain shows up most clearly in one place: your voice and your breath. When you are anxious, your breathing becomes shallow, quick, and uneven. That sends a signal to your brain that something is wrong, which keeps you stuck in a cycle of tension. But when you learn to breathe rhythmically, deeply, gently, and with control, you send the opposite signal. You tell your nervous system, it is safe to relax. What is rhythmic breathing? Rhythmic breathing is simply breathing in and out at a steady, even pace. No gasping, no forcing. Just a smooth, flowing rhythm that your body can follow naturally. Here is how to do it. First, lie flat on your back or sit comfortably with your spine straight. Let your body feel heavy and loose. Second, inhale slowly through your nose. Count to 4 in your mind. Fill your lungs gently. Do not gulp the air. Third, pause for just a moment. Then exhale slowly through your nose or mouth. Count to 4 again. Let the air leave as gently as it entered. Fourth, repeat this pattern. Inhale 4 counts. Exhale 4 counts. Keep the rhythm steady. As you practice, you can extend the counts. Inhale for 5, exhale for 5. Or inhale for 6, exhale for 6. The number does not matter. What matters is the evenness. Key principles. Always aim for gentleness. Your breath should be so soft that it feels like it comes and goes without effort. After each deep breath, rest quietly. Let your lungs do what they please for a few moments before starting again. If you are walking, you can practice the same rhythm. Breathe in for 3 steps, breathe out for 3 steps. This brings calm into your daily movement. When you breathe rhythmically, your body naturally opens with each inhale and relaxes with each exhale. This improves blood circulation and releases muscular contraction. More importantly, it gives your brain a new impression, one of quiet openness instead of tension. With regular practice, you will be able to recall this calm state at will, whenever a stressful moment arises. You do not need hours of practice. 5 minutes in the morning, lying flat and breathing gently, can change your entire day. Be patient. Nerves heal slowly, but rhythmic breathing speeds the process. Breathe gently, breathe evenly, and let your nerves find their natural quiet. Breathe gently, breathe evenly, find your calm.